What's up guys, it's Neil, back with a small update. It's currently Friday and we have less than 1 week to go before round one, and I'm nowhere close to ready yet. I would estimate about 2 weeks work to be done in a week, but we'll hopefully get there. The car is it's in primer, so there's been a lot of work getting the body kit all fixed up and got that ready. Gearbox, I had that in last night, took it back out. At the moment I am on the way to Urlingford to MD tuning, over to see Steve, and hopefully my engine should be thereabouts ready to drop into the car and try and get this thing rolling and mapped. So a lot of work to be done, probably about 2 to 3 weeks work to be done in a week. I don't know if I'm going to have the car sprayed. I'm definitely not going to have it stickered, but look, we'll do as much as we can. I have got an offer at least of another car to use. Joe in Cestino offered me his car, so at least if everything just doesn't work, I have a car to use. So yeah, on the way to Steve's. Let's see how we get on. So it's now Monday morning, back here. We took a bit of a break out of Jess today. We have the engine, so Steve has the engine fully rebuilt. With the sleeve, the block there, one of the cylinders was cracked, so that's all done. Engine and the gearbox is now in. We've got the 370Z gearbox in there. New turbos fitted. That's the Gen 2 GTX 3071. And today, what I'm going to go at is try and get all the ancillaries buttoned up on it, get everything fitted back in there, and hopefully make it fire today. That's the plan anyway. We'll see how we get on. Making all the good noises. It's late, it's dark, but it's working. Mapping tomorrow.